Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic, this beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Hey guys, you're back in another video. Today's video, I am teaching you guys how to get the sound that we just made in the last video into the like, you know how I made the little edit and it has like, I'll show you. I'm just gonna show you. I forgot what it's called. So basically, you'll pull up this app, the ABE player. I forgot. I don't even have it. And it'll pull up like this, show art. So once you've pretty much saved everything and did all that, now go to library, albums, and then you go to editing recordings. So these are all the ones I've made. And this is the most recent one I made. And then that's when I press this. Oh my god. So also the background I've already made, but you press this and it'll automatically be on this one, but you need to make sure you have it on this one, or you can pick either one you want. But to get the background, which I gotta get the backgrounds off of Google, and I already showed y'all how to make the icon anyways. So basically that's pretty much, you get your backgrounds off of Google. I like nature backgrounds, but you can do whatever background you want. Excuse me. So then you go to settings. No, actually no. You go to this, and then you go to image, and this is the background image right now. So custom image, pick image. Now I need to go find one that yeah, here it is. This is one. So then that pressure is good. And then next, that's pretty much it. But I already added in my like logo, so pretty much that's it. And then you go back to images, and you think it's this one, yeah, because it's the whole bot. And then that's when you go down and you press custom image and pick image. Basically what I just did the last time. Anyways, so then that's pretty much it. So like, look, because everything does it by itself already. It does all this by itself. So that's pretty much it. And then all I really have to do is just download it. It kind of sometimes takes a while to download. So then I press export. Sometimes it messes up, but for me, I did this, and I pressed, I think I pressed downloads or music. One of these. I pressed international, and I saved it into my app InShot, wherever it is. I have a lot of apps, but I saved it into my app InShot, and it worked. Anyways, I don't know where it's at. Press cancel, and then you can name your file, which I'm about to name it. Oh my god, I spelled that wrong. Alright, then you just press export, and pretty much it will export the video. So by the way, I'm gonna post this video, the whole video, because y'all didn't get to see the whole video, but y'all heard the sound. Anyways, that's it for today's. Oh yeah, and it'll restart and it'll play the song over. If you don't want to listen to it, you can just turn off your phone, take out your headphone, whatever. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Now I'm editing this last video I just did, so deuces, guys.
So you don't gotta worry about me.